Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two small words that are all about distance and pointing fingers.
Distance and pointing. That sounds like we need a map. What are the words today?
The words are these and those.
Oh, these and those. Yes, they are the plural versions, the big brothers of the words this and that.
Exactly. For our English learners, both of these words are used when you are talking about more than one thing, plural objects. But the difference is entirely about how physically close the objects are to your body.
Determination. Let's start with these. We use these when the objects are plural and they are right here, physically close to us. Often, you are actually holding them in your own hands.
Right. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine we are at a clothing store, shopping for some new shoes.
And I am holding a pair of bright red sneakers right in my hands. I am looking closely at the laces and the design.
You would turn to me and ask, "Do you like these shoes?" You use these because the shoes are right there in your physical space. You can touch them.
Perfect. Now let's look at the second word, those. We use those for plural objects that are far away from us. You cannot touch them easily. You usually have to point at them with your finger.
Let's go right back to the shoe store scenario. You are holding the red sneakers, but then you look across the room.
Way up on the highest shelf on the complete opposite side of the store, I see a pair of shiny black boots.
You can't reach them. You have to point your finger across the room. So you look at me and ask, "Wow, do you like those boots?"
Exactly. These shoes are in my hands. Those boots are across the room. It is all about physical distance.
But English learners should also know a great trick. Distance isn't just physical space. It can also be about time.
Oh, distance in time. That is a great point. Explain that for our learners.
Think about days or years. If we're talking about the days happening right now in the present, they are close to us, so we use these. Like these days, everyone has a smartphone.
But if you're talking about the past days that are far away in history, you use those. Like when I was a kid in the 1990s, those were the good days.
I love that. These for right now, those for the distant past. It follows the exact same rule of distance, just using a calendar instead of a tape measure.
Your homework for today, look around the room you're in right now. Pick up two objects in your hands and make a sentence using these. Then point to two objects far away on the other side of the room and make a sentence using those.
Connecting the vocabulary words to physical movement is the absolute best way to train your brain. You'll master it in no time.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Point out the good things today. See you next time on Mady English Practice.